Alright, my dear learners over there, this is our lesson 35. So in this lesson we are going to look at percentage increase. So as we've been looking at in the previous lesson, we looked at that was ratios, increase in ratios, and then here we are going to increase percentages. We looked at the missing part of a percentage and so on, as you've been following the lessons. So here we are going to look at percentage increase, whereby we said percentage means every 100, so out of 100, and the symbol, I think you are well versed with it. So this is our symbol. So once we are given 20%, this means that 20 every 100. So if it is 15%, that is 15 out of 100. Now we are going to increase. Suppose we are told to increase, let us get this first example here. Increase 800 shillings by 20%, meaning that this money, it is at 100%. So now from there add on more 20%. So what we are going to get at first though is the percentage increase. So the percentage increase, our number is at 100%, then we add on, we make it bigger by adding on more 20%, meaning that's going to move from 100 then to 120%. Therefore our number is going to be 800 shillings by 120%. Now our new percentage increase, so this is going to be 800 times 120 out of 100, because this percentage symbol means every 100. So 0 by 0, then this 0 with this one. So 8 times 2, it is 16. We take here 8 times 1, 8 plus this one, 9. You bring your 0. So we have increased our money from 800 to 900 to 960. So we are having this one, method B here. No, example 2, sorry. Increase, let us increase 4,800 by 10%, then by 20%, meaning that we are going to first increase that number by 10%, then the answer we get, we increase that answer by again 20%. So originally the first step here, let us get the percentage, what? The percentage increase. So this is going to be 100% plus 10%, which is going to be 100%. So it's going to be 110% of our money, 4,800, which is going to be this one in terms of fractions. It's going to be 110 out of 100. Of means multiplication. Our money 4800 00. Now we are having 48 times the 11. So this is 84, that is 84. This is 8, 12, we put here 5. So we have shillings 5280, this one. Now after that we are to increase this money again by 20%. Now this one, it is now at 100%, the original one. Then we make it move from that. We add on other more 20%. So again we are getting our new percentage increase. So new percentage increase here, it's going to be now 100%, the original here, then plus this one 122, the new one, that is going to give us, it's giving us 120%. So 120% of now our new money, that is shillings 5280. So let me rub this, we get space. Now this one is giving us this is 120 out of 100 times 5280 shillings, then 0 0 0 and 0. So you have 528 times 12. This is going to be 16. This is a 4, then this is a 10, then an 8, then a 2 and a 5. This is a 60. 12 we add on here 3. Now this is a 6, so it is 6326 shillings. So that has been increased to that. Let us get another example here. Example 3. Then this example 3, they are telling us that let me get a pen here. Example 3, they are telling us that the school enrollment is 600. The school enrollment, the total number of children in a school, that is the school enrollment is 600 people. Yeah, 600 people. The predicted increase is 10 in 10 years, sorry, in 10 years is 35%. What will be the enrollment after 10 years? What will be the enrollment after 10 years? Okay, so after 10 years, so we just get the percentage increase here. So in 10 years it will move from 100%, then they add on 35%, which is giving us 135%. So 135% of the enrollment, that is, that was 600, and then this is 135 out of 100 times 600 learners, or people 0 0 0 with this 0, so you're having 135 times 6. Then this is 135 times our 6 here, this is a 30, 18, 19, 20, 21, then here 60, 7, 8. So the number will be 810 pupils in a school, the enrollment after 10 years there. Then example 4. Example 4, they are saying increase. This one is saying increase 720 holes by 10%, then 25%. So the first percentage increase is going to be from 100% to add on 10%, which is 110%. Therefore 110% of 720 holes. Then this is 110 out of 100 times 720 holes. Then 0 by 0, 0 by 0. So we have 11 times 72 holes. Therefore 72 by 11, then 2727. This is 297. So this is 2792 holes. So we have increased them. Now then we are going to this next part. Then this is going to be 100%. Then that is 25%, which is 125%. So 125%, sorry, out of 100 times this new number, which is 792. Now here by 5 we are getting 20. Then by 5 here it is a 2, by 5 5, and then by 5 we are getting a 4. Yes, by 5 here it is a 2, that's 10, we put here 25. Now by 5 this is a 5. So what are we having? We are having by 4 here 1. How many 4s are in 7? That's 1, remainder 3. How many 4s are in 39? That's going to be a 9, that is 36. 36, 37, 38, 39. Remainder 3. How many are here? They are going to be 8. So we have 5 times 198. So 198 times 5, this is a 40. Now this is 35, 39. Now this is 5 and 8. So the holes become to 890 holes there. Okay, so let us get to one other more example here. Now this other more example, it is saying this one is saying the price of a radio was increased by, the price of a radio was increased by, the price of a radio was increased by 30%, from 90,000 shillings. What is what is the new price? What is the new price of the radio? Okay, so a percentage increase, this is going to be 100% plus 30% rate, which is 130%. So 130%, 1/3 out of 100 times, now our original 90,000 shillings is 0 with a 0, 0, 0, so 13 times 9,000 shillings here. So this is going to be 13 times 9, right? This is 27, we put here 9, 10, 11, 11. So this is going to give us 117. We add on our 3 zeros, which is 1 to 3. So 117,000 shillings. Alright, so you try out this one activity. Number 1, increase 3,000 by 20%. Then 2, increase 540 kilograms of sugar by 30%. Increase 120 cows by 20%. Then 20%, then 25%. Number 4, increase 800 chairs by 50%, then 40%. Then have this one, increase then 7, Nora's salary she used to earn shillings 120,000. Calculate her new salary. Now the population of Uganda if the population has increased by 40%, calculate the new population. Number 9, increase by 50%. Okay, you've been a good learner. We meet in the next lesson.